Hello friends, let's solve question number 1 of exercise 8.4. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. So here I have just drawn the figure of a rhombus with the vertices A, B, C, D such that AB, BC, CD and AD are the sides of the rhombus and AC and BD are the diagonals intersect each other at the point O. Okay. Now let's recall the properties of the rhombus. So we know that in a rhombus all the sides are equal and the diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. Correct? So from this what can we write? All the sides are equal. It means AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. After that, the diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. It means that the diagonals AC and BD bisect means what? Diagonal AC and diagonal BD intersect each other at point O such that AO equals to OC and BO equals to OD, and here the angle formed at the intersection will be 90 degrees. So that is the meaning of diagonals bisecting. It means the bisecting point will be the midpoint for the diagonals and they bisect each other at 90 degrees. So the diagonals will be bisecting each other at 90 degrees. So these are the properties of rhombus. So based on the properties, we are now going to solve the solution. So here, therefore, AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD because all the sides are equal. After that, diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. It means what can we write here? AO equals to OC and BO equals to OD. So AO equals to OC, BO equals to OD. So when you see here, when AO and OC are equal, so either AO or OC can be written as AC by 2. Correct? Since here O is the midpoint, O will be the midpoint because AC and BD are bisecting each other. So AO can be written as AC by 2 and OC also can be written as AC by 2. In the same way, O will be the midpoint for the diagonal BD as well. So BO equals to OD equals to BD by 2. Okay, write in brackets since diagonals bisect each other. Okay, so what will I do here? Put this entire thing in a bracket. Put it as equation 1. Okay, put it as equation 1. And now, when you see here, the diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. It means that the angle formed at the point of intersection of two diagonals will be 90 degrees. So when you see here in a rhombus, 4 right angle triangles are formed. One is triangle AOB, other one is triangle BOC, COD and AOD. So 4 right angle triangles are formed. You can take either of it. So here I am considering triangle AOB. Therefore, in triangle AOB, when you consider triangle AOB here, since here triangle AOB is a right angle triangle, as per theorem 8.8, you can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So what does the Pythagoras theorem states? It states that the square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So in triangle AOB, AB square equals to AO square plus OB square. Correct? So here the RHS part AO. AO can I write it as AC by 2? Yes. So AO, in the place of AO I am writing AC by 2, and in the place of OB I am writing it as BD by 2. Since the diagonals bisect each other, it means that O will be the midpoint for the two diagonals. So AC by 2 whole square, it becomes AC square by 4 plus BD square by 4. So here I am just taking 4 as LCM. AC square plus BD square. So what is our LHS part? It is AB square. So AB square equals to AC square plus BD square by 4. I am sending 4 to the left hand side. It becomes 4AB square equals to AC square plus BD square. Clear? So here we got 4AB square equals to AC square plus BD square. What is AB here? AB is nothing but, when you see here in the figure, it's nothing but the side of a rhombus. So we know that as per properties of a rhombus, all the sides of the rhombus are equal. So AB square, 4AB square, I am writing it as AB square plus AB square plus AB square plus AB square equals to AC square plus BD square. Okay. Since all the sides are equal, you can just substitute BC, CD and AD here. So write it here. Therefore, AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square equals to AC square plus BD square. Write in brackets, since AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. Fine. As per the properties of rhombus, all the sides of a rhombus are equal. So this is the final equation we got. So the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus. So sum of squares of sides of a rhombus is equals to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. So we have to prove that only, right? See here. Sum of squares of sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. So this is what we need to prove. So write it here. Hence proved. It's very simple. This solution is based on the properties of rhombus. Okay. Just all the sides of a rhombus are equal and the diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. So based on that concept, we have to just take one right angle triangle in the rhombus and just apply the Pythagoras theorem, substitute the values, you'll get the equation which needs to be proved. So this is the solution. So I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.